What's up, Wheeler Bros? It is currently 6:27 in the morning, and I don't want to be up, but I'm up for a very important cause. We've been in contact with someone that we used to go to school with and his family, and they essentially gave us a very, very generous offer on a four-wheeler. Now, the reason why this offer is very generous is because this four-wheeler is not only old, but it's mostly in pieces, so it's going to be called the Project four-wheeler. So until we can actually start to work on it, it shall henceforth be known as Project four-wheeler. Yeah, I don't have my normal energy. And also, these lights do not light up as good as I thought they would for this portion. Yeah, because I was hoping that I'd be able to record stuff this morning. But it turns out, since it's the butt crack of dawn, and you can't see anything because the sun is about as awake as I am, the only way you'll ever be able to figure out light and stuff like that is when you're at a gas station. Speaking of gas station, I have to get gas, and then I have to get food, and then Andrew. So I think I'm gonna pick you guys back up in a little bit. Hope you guys have enjoyed so far. I'm tired. So yeah.
Print your coupon now for $1 off any 120-ounce Mountain Dew brand bottle.
Wow. So, as most of you may know, I am a college student now, and if you guys are curious what it looks like for me to drive at 6:30 in the morning to go to a college to be ready for a class by 8, this is exactly what it looks like. But normally, right about this time, I'm usually half asleep and I'm hitting the rumble strips. But since, you know, I wouldn't say I'm awake, and I wouldn't say I'm tired. I'm just here. That's about it. There's nothing else I can say. So, I mean, like, oh, you can't see me at all. Holy crap. Alright, well, back to the road then. I'm awake, and I'm happy, and I'm ready to go do this thing for Andrew, but then again, I'm tired, and I don't know. Anyway, so next time you guys see me, it'll be with him, and maybe the sun will be awake. Maybe, I don't know. Also, I never realized how bad it must be to work at a gas station, because those people were up, and like up, like they were awake. Like the dude was like happy to sell me anything. I was like, what? How are you up, dude? Anyway, I will catch you guys when I get Andrew. I'm supposed to be there at 7, so that gives me enough time to get food, and I've already got gas, so that's one out of my 2 objectives done. So yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, welcome back. We are on the way to go pick up the four-wheeler. I don't know if we're going to film on the property just because, like, people's privacy, and we're just going to get the four-wheeler loaded up and start heading back to the house. You got anything to say, Will? No, that's about it. There's nothing more to say.
It's early in the morning.
I got that, like, ceiling fan dust throat where, like, your sinuses are up because your ceiling fan's been in your face all day.
Oh, yeah. Did you tell them what it is at all?
No, I didn't say anything.
You didn't say? Okay.
I mean, because I don't really know personally.
Yeah, we're gonna, I'll show you what it is once we get it back to the house. We'll show it off a little bit. And, I mean, it doesn't look like much, but
It doesn't really look like a full
I mean, yes, right now it's just a frame.
It's 4 wheels, a frame, and a piece of work.
Yes, it's just a frame, but it's a project. And we've been wanting to find a project for it on the channel, and we got a really good deal on it, so we decided, hey, let's go pick this up, and then, yeah, it's just content.
You missed my joke at the gas station. I said that this four-wheeler henceforth shall be known as Project four-wheeler, like from the scene of Nemo. So
Shark bait. But nah,
Welcome, brother, Project
I
Folder.
say we figure out a name for it. What do you want to name it?
Well, for right now, it's definitely going to be Project Folder.
Yes, but that's not the name.
That's just our temporary name. In fact, if you guys are interested in the name, go down into the description and look up our name, Wheeler Bros, and go type it in on Instagram, and we'll probably make a poll in the next couple of weeks. Because actually, I wanted to. It's funny enough. Funny you mentioned that. I wanted to get people's opinions on what they think the folder should be named. Just because I've seen a few people that do that, and I love their content. So
yeah,
it'd be funny.
But yeah, we're gonna go pick that up now, and we're gonna just head back to the house. So we will see you guys in just a little bit. Peace out.
See ya.
All right, welcome back. We just got done picking it up. It is back there. I don't know if you can see it.
Probably.
It's not really focusing very well, but it's back there, and we're taking it back to the house. So what we got is a 300EX frame that it's honestly really just a frame, and the motor doesn't run right now. We don't know what is wrong with it, because the people we got it from, they said they tried to work on it, and they said they could never get it running. Look at that guy was moving.
Yeah, he's also close to my side too.
Yeah, but we mainly bought it just for the frame and just to have a project to work on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna eventually just
Content.
yes, it's just content, and we're just gonna make like a little series out of it, building it back up. And we don't know how long it's gonna take, because we don't know what it needs. Yeah, it's probably gonna take a while, but I mean, it's fun. We want to learn how to do this stuff.
Yeah, and to be honest with you, most of the time, because depending on how these projects work, most of the work that we do end up being off camera, so it's self-paced.
Yes,
And
we'll do video stuff,
and we'll make sure to explain it to you guys, so that way, if you guys are doing at-home projects like this one, that you guys will be able to understand and how to do things as well.
Oh yeah.
Because we want to be more educational, not just
and before you guys go and before you guys say yeah, you should have bought a bigger four-wheeler or stuff like that. I mean, one, we got a really good deal on it, and we just couldn't pass it up. It was like an impulse buy thing, and I mean, it's just something to do for fun, just for the both of us.
Plus my four-wheeler, my first four-wheeler, I knew that was gonna happen. I just have to turn around. Plus my first four-wheeler was a 250, which just so happens to be the same one that's on the channel now. So honestly, it being a good investment like it is, it's really good for what it's worth. Also, I know I'm gonna jackknife it.
Oh, you're good.
I just gotta.
But yeah.
There we
so we're gonna head back to the house right now,
after
and
we
then
make 1 or 2 pit stops.
yeah, after we make a pit
But
stop.
you guys won't see it, so it won't matter. I don't know why I said that.
Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go and do that, and we'll show it off a little bit. Like I said, it's just a frame. Like it probably needs motor, wiring, harness, all new bushings, bearings, stuff like that. But
basically,
I mean,
we're just gonna strip it.
Yes, it's already stripped. It's essentially already stripped.
Yeah, so it's not gonna look like a lot, but it'll be worth it in the future.
Oh
so,
yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go run our errands, and then we will be back at the house in just a minute. See you guys then.
All right, welcome back.
Howdy, we made it back.
Now, normally in a towing video, I'd say that we brought it back in one piece, but obviously
It is not in one piece.
So, we were gonna do an Instagram poll to get a good name. In fact, we probably still will. We've got 2 candidates at the moment.
We're gonna try to figure out some names.
We got 2 candidates at the moment. Number 1 is my personal favorite, is Junkie, and then the other one is Rusty. So
it's
if you,
really Rusty stuff.
It's not Rusty though, but it's a good name.
Yeah.
So
definitely gonna need some new front tires.
It's gonna need new everything.
These are a little dry.
So essentially, this is basically the frame, engine, and wiring harness, or what used to be.
What was left of the wiring harness.
Plastics are right there.
Plastics are junk. We're gonna get new of those. I'm gonna steal the seat though, because I don't feel like paying for a new seat, because the seat's mine.
You just have to
just give it a little clean.
Cut it out or something stupid. And then this is the rest of the
gas
interesting
tank. We need
stuff.
a new gas tank. It's got a ton of rust in it, and a bit of more wiring harness. But we have handlebar things.
I don't even know how those mount on yet.
Why not?
That'd be on the other side, but yeah.
Yeah, but you get the idea.
All I gotta say is that this YouTube thing is gonna have to be official now, because we're investing everything into this.
We're definitely gonna redo the wheels because whoever painted it is like overspray on the tires and stuff like that. I think I'm eventually gonna get wider control arms and stuff like that.
The thing that I really like about it as of right now has got to be the handlebars, only for one simple fact that it looks like a bike.
Yeah, I'm gonna get new handlebars. These are kind of junk, and I'm pretty sure they're not even like it needs new bushings.
That's
like,
also from this
you
too.
look at this, and this thing right here is like trash. The bushings are awful, but I mean, it's a solid frame from what we see right now.
Can you imagine this handlebar thing? Like, you know those things at Redline where they have the Prestige handlebars?
Yeah, those are.
Bro, we could clap this thing out.
Those are bike handlebars though. But I mean, everything looks solid. Suspension's good. Like it.
I mean, it holds.
It holds.
The only thing I'm concerned about is the
looks
nuts.
great from what I can see.
And it's just at an angle right now because that's how we tied it on.
Then, I mean, it's no big deal. I mean, it is a big deal, but
it's a huge
we'll figure it out. But from what I can see, it's straight.
The brake calibration is actually really good for what it's worth, and also
there's no brake fluid or anything in it.
No, so it's
The brake lines aren't hooked up in the back.
Yeah,
they are, but there's no brake fluid.
So essentially, we got our work cut out for us.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna start working on this project, not for a while, because
we're gonna acquire parts right now
and money. Those are the two biggest things that we need. So,
but I don't think the carb on here is stock. I think the stock carb's in there somewhere, and the motor's blown. So
that's what.
Or we think the motor's blown. We don't quite know yet.
Yeah, so I think that's going to be all for us today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this segment so far. Also, if you do I can't speak. If you do guys want to, I'll continue that sentence just because I can't. If you do guys want to participate in the poll in the description, or not in the description, in the
Instagram bio.
Yup.
Or Instagram story.
Then be sure to go follow us at Wheeler Bros on Instagram, and that is lowercase WHEELER_BROSS. So go check us out in the description. We post content on there, not daily, but we post enough to enjoy what we're doing. Also, I'm pretty sure most of these tires are dry rotted.
These are dry rotted. We're definitely gonna need new tires.
Investment. Not to mention the fact that we also do have those steel rims that we were gonna put on the 250 because I hit a tree.
True.
But we could put those on the back too. So actually, all in all, we do have almost one rim or two rims, and they're not aluminum, they're steel.
I want to put air in these tires, see if they hold air.
All right, well, we'll do that off camera so we can let these guys enjoy their day. So again, description down below, poll that'll be out later on today when this video is posted.
We'll do, once we figure out what's all wrong with it, we'll do a video like just
explanation.
Yeah.
And also, I'm pretty sure that this video is going to be out before we do our official Raptor review. And just a little explanation on what that is that we did a video. Actually, our very first video was us test driving the Raptor, but we never explained what it does, how it does, anything, the suspension and stuff like that. So we're going to go into depth with that video. So be sure to look for that on the channel. And yeah, that's basically all we got for you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and also that Instagram thing. Be looking for that in the future. I love you all, and we will catch you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye-bye.